Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today I am excited because I'm finally doing something to my 23 C8 Corvette that needed to be done. It needed to happen. I have two things on the agenda today. So real quick before we get into it though, I want to just thank all my thumbs up squad for smashing that thumbs up button already. I hugely appreciate it. You guys are absolutely amazing. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. We love having new people join us on the Brink of Speed community. So if you haven't joined yet, do me a favor and smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. All right, let's get in the garage real quick so I can show you a couple of things that I've got in the car. All right, so the first thing that I've got here is a box from Paragon Performance. As you see there, this is the lowering springs, collars, everything that goes into lowering your C8 Corvette from Paragon Performance. And back here in the trunk, I have the AC Delco OEM shocks and struts for the rear. These are Z51 shocks and struts. So they're for the rear of this car, because if you follow my channel, you know that this is a non-Z51. It does not have mag ride, but it does have front lift, and I'm gonna be able to retain that front lift. So let's go ahead and get going, and I'll explain some things on the way. All right, so the first thing on the agenda today is I am going to BSP Motorsports in Frisco, Texas. And I'm taking my car to have BSP do the lowering. So I'm just dropping off the parts to them because he's literally a couple of blocks away from the detail lab. Then I'm headed from there to the detail lab because Trevor's other friend who owns Executive Tint Design is gonna be there tinting some cars today, and he's gonna do this. And that is what has been needed on this car for a long time now. I really should have gotten that done ASAP when I bought the car, but you know what, it's not summer, so I really didn't feel the heat, you know, that normally you would feel without the windows being tinted. But I'm definitely getting it done today, so that's really gonna change the look. I can't wait to see it. And then after the windows are tinted, it's gonna go straight back over to BSP, and they're gonna start the lowering process. And it's gonna take about a day to get this thing done, but I trust them big time. I'll have a separate video showing you guys that, but I've had a great talk with the owner, Brandon. Super great guy. They actually do race cars. They actually sponsor race cars, and they set race cars up for the track. So this is probably the best place I could ever have taken it to get the lowering job done and make certain that it's done properly. And then they're gonna do a full alignment to make sure everything is aligned perfect. And their motto is they don't want just an average job, they want it to be perfect. If you guys live in the DFW, check out BSP Motorsports. They're in Frisco, Texas, and I can't wait to do business with them. All right, so dropped off the parts at BSP, and now I'm headed over to the detail lab. They're literally like less than a mile apart. All right, I'm at the detail lab. Gonna go in and talk to Trevor. Trevor's always hard at work. Man, look at that beauty. Dude, these new Genesises are really, really nice.
They can do tricks too.
Oh yeah? What kind of tricks?
You can make it go forward or backward with a touch of the key.
Ooh.
Yeah, we can play with that. That's really fun.
Oh man.
I moved it from the wash bay to outside.
With the key?
Yeah, this is, dude, so easy.
Dude, nice glasses.
Check this out.
All right.
Full clear bra and fully coated. So it's like, watch how easy this is. $50,000 car right there, ladies and gentlemen. Who likes Porsches?
All right, Trevor, show us how it's done.
Okay, Hyundai Genesis GV70. Turn it on.
Is this thing gonna move all by itself?
Okay, just turned it on, yeah. Look. Up and down.
Wait.
Up and down.
Holy cow.
Wait for it.
What? Oh my gosh. It moves all by itself. That is crazy. All right, so this is Joel with
Executive Tint Design.
Awesome. He's going to be doing the window tinting on the BOS 2.0. And we're going to do 55 in the front, 20 on the sides, and 20 on this back window.
So in order for me to shrink the film, I gotta use, well, I utilize drying sheet. This is basically what we use at the dry machine.
Okay.
So basically I just water it and just scrub it against glass so I can get the chemical on the glass itself. And that's gonna help me shrink the film. So whenever I start using heat, it will not stick on the glass as I'm shrinking the film.
Because you have to fit it to the window on the outside.
Correct.
And then bring it to the inside.
Correct.
Gotcha.
It's basically a straight sheet of paper, but once we are utilizing the heat, it will start making the curve
Nice.
as the glass is inside.
Awesome. Very cool, man.
Ooh, get educated.
And look at the attention to detail that they do on this inside. They want to make sure that they keep the beautiful 3LT interior nice and clean, because you know there's going to be a lot of water. So look at all that they put down over my seats. They're keeping everything from being drenched with water.
Whenever we utilize the water, it's gonna drip directly down
Right.
to any electric components.
Yes.
So it's basically, this deal has a rope which is gonna hold the water that is gonna be draining down the glass.
Nice.
So no matter how much water we use, it's gonna catch it, but the goal is gonna be to not use as much water. Of
Sure,
course.
sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, so there is the 55 on the front windshield. Looks good, man. It's really good.
I'm really happy how it came out.
Oh yeah.
Extremely clean, everything's smooth.
Yeah, it looks great.
When until it's exposed on the sun, it's gonna bring out the color of the
Sure,
tint.
sure.
So you'll enjoy it.
Yeah, I can't wait. And now to do the side and the rear.
Right.
Thank you so much, Joel.
Yes,
so
sir.
tell us about your company. Like, you guys are mobile, you'll
Correct.
go anywhere, right?
Correct. We are mobile. We go everywhere, out of state.
Wow.
Yeah. So just anywhere you need us. If you have a garage or an enclosed area, we're more than welcome to stop by and help you out.
Awesome.
Mhm,
And
yeah.
what is you have a website?
Yes. Well, we're on Instagram or Facebook.
Okay.
Either one you feel more comfortable with. The name is gonna be the same, Executive Tint Design.
Okay.
And you can find us there. You can Google us, but we don't really use that much of it.
Okay.
But you can find us there as well. You can check us out and see what we have there, and go
Hire
from there.
you guys to do the work.
Definitely.
Sweet. I will link everything down in the description below so you guys can check them out. And man, it's awesome. They go all over the country, I guess. I mean, obviously it's got to be worth it for them, but definitely check them out. They are an amazing company. They got this done very, very quickly. And as you guys see, it is a fantastic job. Let's check out what it looks like from the inside here. Man, look at that. That is awesome. Really, really great.
You notice how clean the inside is still?
Oh yeah, exactly. And you know, I showed you guys they covered all of this up when they were doing the work, and look at how perfect. I mean, there is nothing on the leather, nothing up front on the dash. That is awesome.
What we also do is we add static film to your stickers. So for example,
nice.
We already put it on your registration sticker.
Okay.
So that way you don't have to bother your sticker itself. So you can always
sweet.
peel it off as many times as you desire with no glue left off.
Nice.
So, and that's gonna come on the toll tag as well. So you can stick in as many places
Anywhere you want.
but it's not gonna leave anything behind.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure.
And tell us about the film that you used.
So the film that we use, the brand is called Expel XR Plus, which is the highest performance film. This one rejects 98% of the heat.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a ceramic film.
And then UV.
Correct. The UV is going to be 98%
Okay.
of the UV that it's going to be rejecting.
Nice.
If I'm not mistaken, it's going to be a little higher when it comes to the UV percentages, but the heat itself is going to be completely gone. So you won't be able to feel anything whenever the summer kicks in.
Sure.
So especially on this dash, it's completely leathered. So whenever the sun hits on it, it could crack it, it could
Right.
just damage it in the long run.
Yes.
So with this particular film, it will not even feel anything at all.
That's awesome.
Specifically on your tan, you know, we tend to have a tan on your left arm.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's gonna be completely gone as well.
Good.
So you're gonna have a whole different experience when you're driving your vehicle.
Sweet.
One way to know that you actually have ceramic film on your vehicle is gonna be by using a flashlight. Just point it at the glass. You notice that bluish, purplish finish?
Yeah.
That is basically what's gonna let you know that you have ceramic film.
Oh,
Now,
that's-
you could say, well, it's just gonna be on the dark percentages. Well, no, it could actually be on the
windshield as
transparent
well?
So you can see it. It's gonna be a little less visible, but you can see it.
Oh yeah, you can see it from the outside.
So
Yeah.
even though it's fully transparent, you can still see that finish.
That's so cool, man.
That's one way for you to know that you never got lied to.
Thanks for showing us that.
You're welcome.
Look at how ridiculous this looks in the sunlight. Totally changes the car. I mean, completely changes the car. So again, thanks to Trevor for hooking me up with Joel. Appreciate it. You guys did an amazing job. And we'll be back.
Tomorrow or the next day.
Yeah, to get the car looking even better.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. It looks so good right now.
Yeah, it does. Absolutely amazing. Check this out, guys. I'm gonna get to drive this brand new 23, right?
Yep.
23 Porsche Turbo S. Oh, this is awesome. Right here?
Yep.
It's gonna be fun. Well, this car is ridiculous.
First impressions so far.
Oh my gosh, dude. this above car view is pretty sweet.
love the full LED screen.
Oh, yeah.
It's ginormous.
Huge. You might want to hold your phone.
Continue on West Stonebrook Parkway for 4 miles.
Dude, it kind of got sideways. Holy cow.
Continue on Dallas Parkway for 1.5 miles.
Good God.
So nimble. That was easy.
Oh yeah, piece of cake. Dude, that was like 50 to 90 like that. Jeez. Oh,
And it's not ridiculously loud.
no, that's
at
what I'm
all.
saying. It's actually pretty pleasant in here.
Look at what we have here.
Holy. So I'm driving the Porsche Turbo S, and Trevor spotted the Doc Brown DeLorean. Check this out. Look at this wing. It's a carbon fiber wing. Oh my gosh. This is so sweet. Wow. Now that is awesome. Oh my goodness. So look at the difference on the inside of this car. I mean, it's unbelievable. So like I said in the beginning, this needed to happen. The only reason why it hadn't yet is because, you know, it's not summertime. It wasn't a rush. But now I've gotten it done, and man, they do an excellent job. Next is lowering. But you're gonna have to watch the next video to see that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed the Porsche content that you got to see with the brand new 23 Twin Turbo S Porsche. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys out on the road.